Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So as you guys can see, we have the phone. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings. In these settings, we want to go to network and internet and click on Wi-Fi. Once we click on Wi-Fi, we click on the gear icon on the network we're connected to, click on forget, and we're going to connect to the same network. So as you guys can see, I'm connected to 2, so I'm going to disconnect from 2. And I'm just going to go over, enter the password on this network. I'm pretty sure I typed it right. Yes, I did. I am connected. And now what you guys want to do is go over and here. Make sure that you disable mobile data. It's very important because if you disable mobile data, then they won't work together. And sometimes there's adaptive connectivity, and this will basically be as like an auto switch. So it will switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if it cannot get the Wi-Fi. Now, what are we going to do next as a last resort is go over and scroll all the way down. We want to go to System and go to Reset Options. We want to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Here we click on reset, and as you guys can see, we got the confirmation at the bottom. That's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.